back. In this video, we're gonna go over saving styles, right? So this is basically, you create, some design and you want to just save it so you can always reuse it without having to reconfigure and do all that work, right? So this is very simple. All you need to do is go over to the element settings and basically save the style. And to download a saved style, you would have to just simply import the saved style. We have the two buttons next to each other. All right, so we're going to go to our text block and we're going to use this element to demo. All right, so we're going to just simply add two configurations to this element. Let's make it italic. All right, so let's just make it italic. And perhaps let's make it bold, and I guess we should add a color. Just give it strong red. All right, perfect. So there you have it. We have our text style, and let's just go ahead and save this style. So to save it, all I have to just do is click on Save Styles, and I can give it a name. So here we're going to call it red italic. So I'm going to say red underscore italic underscore text. All right. So you can see here where it says save globally. So there are two scopes, of course. You can either save this globally, meaning that it's going to be available for any application that you build across your, in your platform, in your organization, right, on your accounts, rather. Or you could basically leave the default, which is basically just saving this style locally, which means that this saved style will only be available within the application that it was saved in, right? So we're going to go ahead and save this locally. All right, there we go. To basically see our saved style, all we need to do is go over here to the style guide and go to the saved styles. And I can see my red italic text. Now, one of the cool features of this platform is that when you hover over other styles, those stylings get applied to whichever element is in focus. So, this is, so you can basically see the style before you apply the style. And another cool thing is that while you are in the saved style, if you do click on it, it does get applied. All right. So we have our saved style, and then let's use this. Let's see how this works in action. All right. I am going to just go back to my elements tab. I'm just going to drag another text box. All right, I'm going to paste it over here. So we have another text block that just says this is some text. All right, so now I want to apply our saved styling to this element. All I need to do is just make sure this element is focused on, and I'm just going to import a saved style. All right, and I could just start typing red, and the autocomplete is going to do the rest. Red italic text, apply, and there it is. My saved style has been applied, and I am, good to go. It's that simple. Now, okay, we've basically done some work here. We've saved the style, we've dragged in, an element, we've imported that style in. This might seem like a lot of work. In the next video, we're going to go over how to create a style guide that basically, helps you save all the styles and set them as a default so that whenever you drag and drop the elements, it already has that pre-configured styling. All right, that's it for saving styles. You can basically save a style by basically hitting on the save style button. You can give it a name, save it locally or globally, and then you can always import it. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.